Adding weft using the tabby stitch. Weft is the term for the yarn that you use in your weaving. So to begin, it cannot be attached to the skein or the rest of the yarn. It has to be a single piece, okay? Start by tying the first piece on using your overhand knot. You can cut this tail short. This is considered over. The tabby stitch is just repeating an over-under pattern. So this is over, the next will be under. Over, under, push it under there. Over, under, over. Now you're just going to gently pull just until it stops. You do not want to pull super tight. When you pull super tight, the end warp strings will start to go in like the letter V. So you want to make sure that you're just pulling until it stops. Now you have to go back the way that you came, but we need to make sure that we don't undo what we just did. So the last string is over. We're going to go under the same string. This will keep the weft around the last warp string. Under, over, under, over, under, over, under. Pull gently until it stops. Notice how the warp went, the weft went around the warp, and then we're going to scrunch it down. Keep repeating this process of going back and forth using the over-under pattern. If your yarn starts to do this at the end, you can cut it off, or you can just tie a little knot at the very, very end to keep that from happening. One more time. This is under, so now we have to go over the same warp string. Under, over, under, over, under, over. Pull until it stops. Squish down. Do this until you run out of weft. After that, you can add more or you can tie it off.